What's up, guys? Just wanted to talk to you real quick about this reflective insulation. I absolutely love this stuff, and it has come in so handy for so many DIY projects that it's kind of amazing. This piece right here I actually use in my converted van that you can see behind me, and I use it to insulate the windows. So just cut a piece and put it right in the window slots, and then you are staying incredibly warm. I've taken this van in as cold as -10 degrees, and just with simple insulation like this, you can stay incredibly warm. It's kind of unbelievable. The stuff actually holds up really well over time too. I've been using this same piece for the last 4 years now. Wow, I can't even believe that. But yeah, it's held up really nice throughout the last 4 years. As you can see, nothing too crazy happening there, no rips or anything like that. So if you're looking for a really good insulation barrier, I would highly recommend this. It's been working great for me, and I would highly recommend it.
As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.